Hi viewers, welcome to 5 Mantra. We are going to discuss about some programming language. In that we are discussing about C programming language. And already we have some videos, and on this topic please do subscribe. You will get other videos and other language videos also. And now this is BL and Reddy. We are going to start about the operators in C language. And what is the use of the operators means whenever you want to do any operations in a programming language using any programming language, some symbols are very important. And these symbols are specially designed for particular task. Like I want to do the mathematical operations or any application. Okay, when you want to do this type of special activities, these symbols are very useful. And each symbol have a separate task and a separate information, and you have to know that one, and separate rules also we have. If you know the rules, then you can use very well. Like in a C language we have a different type of operators we have. These operators are nothing but a symbols, special symbols. Like in a mathematics we are using plus, minus, into, divided by, like different symbols, right? These symbols are used in a programming language to do that particular task. Like whenever you are working with the symbol, what is the symbol? It is a special symbol to perform particular task, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Example. Now how to use this? Okay, whenever you are using any symbols, one special constant values are required. Like I want to do the addition, when two numbers are required. I want to do the multiplication, two numbers are required, right? Whenever, how to give these two numbers? With the help of operands, I can give that that constant values, and that constant values hold by the operands. That operands are very important. Without operand, there is no meaning of that symbol. Okay, and with the help of operands only you will get the meaning of that symbol, and that symbol will be recognized by your compiler, and it will do that particular operation. Now, for example, I want to do the addition. Whenever you want to do the addition, like A plus B, this is the activity we will do that one, right? Okay, A plus B. Whenever you want to do the A plus B, and this plus we called as a operator, and this A and B we called as a operand. Okay, like operand is nothing but it is a name which is we are using in a programming language. Operand is nothing but these special symbols. Like here A and B, these are the two variables I have, and these two variables we called as a operands. In a simple way, right? And now you understood. Now how many types of operators we have? Basically these operators are three based on operands. If I am using a one operand, like A plus plus and or A minus minus, this one we called as a unary operator. Why? Because unary means one. This plus plus and minus minus we called as a unary operator, right? Why? Because only one operand we are using. Now whenever I want to use, whenever I am using two variables or two operands, that operator we called as a binary operator. Okay, that operator we called as a binary operator. Example is your plus means whenever you want to do the addition, at least two operands are required. Then this we called as a binary operator. Binary operator. Like I have another one, that is a ternary operator. There I am using a three operands. Then that we called as a ternary operator. Like basically how many operators we have? These we have operators, like three operators based on operands. Three types of operators we have: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Unary operator only one operand I am using. Binary operator I am using a two operands, and ternary operator I am using a three operands. If you know that, this is our simple definition, classification of the operators. But basically when you are doing particular operation, based on behavior of that operation, we have another division we have in operators. Now we are going to discuss about these operators based on their behaviors. We have a different type of operators we have based on their operations. Like I want to do the mathematical arithmetic operations, that operator we called as a arithmetic operators. Like relational operators, it will do the relational operation. Okay, what it will give the information between two operands, like two variables. What is the relationship between these two operands or variables will be given by the relational operator. And like arithmetic operator, if you see that we have a plus, and this is the minus, this is the subtraction, this is the multiplication symbol is this, and the next one is, this is the another operator, division operator, and this one is the mod operator. Like how many operators we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like arithmetic operators are 5. It will do the arithmetic operations, and these are the binary operators. Why? Because it's required two operands, right? So one is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have a two results in a division. One you will get a quotient, another one you will get a remainder. Remainder will be given with the help of this symbol. Okay, this is nothing but a remainder, and this will give the quotient, right? Okay, and this will give the quotient. Okay, this is the symbols we have. Next, if you go with the another operator, right, relational operator, I want to find whether given number is a smaller number, or like I want to compare two numbers or two entities or two operands, and how to do that one. That one we have a special symbols. Those symbols we called as a relational operators, like less than and greater than, like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Like these operators we called as a relational operators. Here we have another one is also we have, that is the equal to. Okay, this is the one operator. This operator we called as a equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, right? In this way, next less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, like this is the another operators, like extension of these operators. Like how many symbols we have? Equal to, not less than, greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Like totally we have 6 operators we have. And using these operators, what we will do is we'll compare two entities, two operands. This also we called as a binary operator, right? These all are binary operator. Remember this one. Okay. Now, third one, we have a logical operators. Whenever I am comparing two or more relational operators, we have to use a how to get the outcome of two relational operator outcome is that will be done with the help of logical operators. Basically, this will be implemented with the help of special symbols. Those are, we have 3 logical operators. One is the AND, another one is the OR, next one is the NOT. Okay, AND will be represented with the help of AND operator, OR will be represented with the help of OR operator, next exclamation mark. This is the like 3 operators we have, like AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. Like what is the use of this, how to use that one, that specially we'll discuss, right? Next operator we called as the assignment operator. This assignment operator is symbol is like this. This is the equal operator we called as a assignment operator. What is the use of this? Assigning the values to the variable. Okay, that is the operation of this assignment operator. Means now I define a one variable like integer a. Now I want to assign some value, some constant into the a. What I have to do is like I want to assign the 10 value into this. So simply I'll put this operator. Okay, and this one we called as a assignment operator. It have a special rules when you want to use this one. Okay, we'll discuss this elaborately. Just to follow our next assignment operator separate video you have, you just go with that. Okay. Next, after completion of the assignment operator, bitwise operator. This the bitwise operator is work with the zeros and ones only, means based on bits. You know that data is saved in a binary format. Each binary digit we called as a bit, and based on that, based on bits, these bitwise operators will be worked. And actually it is basically used by electronics users because C is meant to devise, okay, system or system oriented applications like, okay, device drivers or operating systems, like, okay, whenever you want to do that, you have to transmit the data in a bits. Okay, that bits manipulation will be done with the help of bitwise operators. We have so many bitwise operators like and, not, or, next, XOR, okay, one's complement, okay, like so many operators we have, okay, XOR, like different operators we have. These operators we will discuss elaborately. And bitwise operators are, you have to remember that bitwise operators are only work on bits, not on byte of data, right? Okay. Next operators are increment and decrement operators. Increment decrement operator, this operator is called as a increment operator, increment operator, and this operator we called as a decrement operator. Decrement operator, this is the one operator and this one is the another operator. Like two minus symbols we called as a decrement, two plus symbols we called as a increment. What is the use of this is, if I write a plus plus, that is nothing but a equal to a plus 1, and if I write a minus minus, this is nothing but a equal to a minus 1, simple, right? Whenever I write a plus plus, okay, that is nothing but it will increment 1. If I do the minus minus, it will decrement the 1. And this, that's why we called these operators are a increment and decrement operators. And other than these, we have a special operators we have. These are defined specially for particular activities. For example, I want to get the size of the one variable. For that, I have to use another operator, that is the size of operator. That is the third one, right? I want to implement conditional like if else or something, like I want to compare two numbers, I want to give the results, right? Whenever you want to do this one combined, and this ternary operator is called as a ternary operator is nothing but a conditional operator we have. Like already I said, three types of operators we have based on operands: unary, binary, ternary. Okay, these all are binary except ternary and comma and size of operators. Okay, and the size of operators also we have these specially designed for particular task, and these operator elaborately we will discuss. Just to follow our channels. If you have any queries or any operators if you want to know, just give the comments and we'll follow and we'll give the session on particular things, right? Thank you for watching.